Hey everyone, welcome back to Panu's Quilling Point. And yes, you are at Perfect Point watching me Pradnya on this Adi Crafty channel. So today's video is about bookmark, that is part 2. And for this bookmarks, we just need only few things, that is a pop stick and paper strip. So let's go home quickly and let me show you how to make bookmarks. So let's go.
So we will be making the sunflower bookmark first. So let's begin. I will be using green popstick for flower. So I will be making fringe strip and for this I am using 5 mm yellow strip. So for fringes I am using this scissor. So let's make the fringes first. Before that I am going to stick 2 strips one after another to make a complete sunflower. So now let's make fringes using scissor like this. If you are cutting with scissor, then you have to take care because you might break the strip.
A few moments later.
So here my fringe strip is ready. You can see. And now I am going to stick 3 mm brown color strip at the end of this fringe strip. Like this. Stick it properly at the bottom side so that when you quill, it will look really cute and a good one. So let's quill from the coffee color or brown color strip like this. You have to take care when you are quilling a fringe strip because of the cuts, the strip might break in between. And remove it gently like this. Stick the end and then you have to open fringes. Stick the end like this and open the fringes from inwards direction to outward direction like this, and you have to be very gentle and do this very slowly. So now you can see it is almost ready and looks beautiful sunflower. Now after this I will be making leaves. So for leaves I'm using dark green color 3 mm quilling strip. I will be cutting them into 3 equal parts, that is 1/3 strip, and I'm using 2 strips to make 2 leaves like this, and I'm giving a simple basic shape of marquise. Like this. Stick the end with glue and make another leaf using same procedure. Here I have made curved marquise. You can use normal marquises as stick them on pop stick. So for sticking, I'm using Fevibond. You can use fabric glue also or normal Fevibond. So our sunflower pop stick bookmark is completely ready. You can try it at your home and share your pics with us. So guys, I feel you have watched the video complete and thank you for watching the video, and do let me know how you find this bookmark video, and also mention your views in the comment section below. You might be thinking why I'm doing such type of intro and outro. Actually, I'm a bit busy and I'm not getting time to shoot properly. But yeah, now I am not worried, or I'm not conscious about how do I look that what I was before. So I thought chalo ऐसे एक video बना लेते. So thank you once again for watching my video and giving your valuable time. So one more thing is, there are many products coming on my website, that is quilling.com. So if you love my work, if you love my efforts, and if you love my products and you really wish to buy them, then don't forget to share this link of my website, that is quilling.com, and you will find many products which are handmade, of course, and you will love them. So do check out my videos and also do check out my products. So till then, bye, and wait for my next bookmark wala video. So bye bye.